What is will? Will is a modal verb. We use it to talk about the future, make promises, offer help, and express instant decisions. The structure is very simple. Subject, will, base form of verb. For negative, we say will not or won't. Let's learn 6 different types of uses of will. Use 1. Future predictions. The first and most common use of will is to talk about future events or predictions, things we believe will happen. We often use it with words like probably, maybe, and I think. For example, it will rain tomorrow. I think she will get the job. The match will probably start at 7 p.m. He won't be late again. Second use of will is for making promises. When we want to assure someone about something, we use will. For example, I will always be there for you. I will never lie to you. Don't worry, I will call you tonight. I promise I will finish the work on time. Use 3. Instant decisions. The third use of will is for instant decisions. Decisions made at the moment of speaking, not planned before. For example, the phone is ringing. I will answer it. I will have the pasta, please. It's cold in here. I will close the window. I will take the blue one. Thank you. The fourth use of will is to make offers, when we want to help someone voluntarily. For example, I will carry that bag for you. I will drop you home. Don't worry, I will explain it to him. You look tired. I will make you some tea. Use 5. Requests. The fifth use of will is for making polite requests, asking someone to do something for us. For example, will you please close the door? Will you help me with this report? Will you pass me the salt, please? Will you wait here for a moment? Use 6. General truths and habits. The sixth use of will is for general truths, facts, and typical behavior, things that are always true or things a person typically does. For example, oil will float on water. Ice will melt at 100 degrees. He will sit for hours without saying a word, meaning this is his habit. Cats will always land on their feet. Will versus going to. What is the difference between will and going to? Remember this simple rule. Use going to for plans made before the moment of speaking. Use will for decisions made right now. For example, I am going to visit Delhi next week. Planned before. Oh, the traffic is bad. I will take the metro. Decided right now. Let's practice. Now let us test all 6 uses. Fill in the blank with will or won't. Pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. Don't worry, I blank help you finish the project. Question 2. She blank be happy about this news. Question 3. Blank, you pass me the salt, please? Question 4. I think it blank snow tomorrow. Question 5. He promised he blank be late again. Question 6. I blank carry that bag. You look tired.